using a chicken breast and a chicken wings. This is a chicken breast and a chicken wings. And then, so we're going to marinate a pineapple juice, a 1 cup of pineapple juice, and a half cup of soy sauce. Then I'm gonna put a bay leaves. We're going to put salt, rock salt. I'm gonna put pepper. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then mix it. And then marinate in an hour. And after an hour, let's start cooking for the Pininyahang Manok or chicken with pineapple. So after an hour, we're going to cook our marinated na Pininyahang Manok or chicken with pineapple. And I'm gonna use coconut oil. I already put a 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So let's start saute our garlic, and I want a lot of garlic. And then we're going to add our chicken. We put out the chicken in marinated sauce. And then save the marinated sauce because we're going to add that later after the chicken will cook. So we're gonna let it cook the chicken there. After like 15 minutes, so we're going to, our chicken is about to cook. We're going to add our onion, white onion. And then we could add our marinated sauce. Cover it again and let it boil like 25 minutes until the chicken will tender. So guys, after 25 minutes, ayan na siya. And then let's add our vinegar, like a half cup. Ayan. Pero meron na siyang asin. Malambot na yung chicken natin. It's already tender. It's time to add our pineapple chunk. Ayan, mas masarap as maraming sauce. Kasi yung mga kids ko nag-aagawan sila. So look at that. And that's done. And let's try, guys, kung what it tastes like. Look at the pineapple. Yeah. Let's try, guys. It's good. At saka napakalambot yung chicken. It's tender. Mm. 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 Sarap. With pineapple. Sarap guys. Tastes good. Mm. Last. Mm. Mm. So ayan guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like the way I cook the pininyahang manok on chicken red pineapple sauce. There you go guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you all.